Okay then, so now we have a basic understanding of a cloud computing. Let's get started with Amazon Web Services. So let's start with the question of what is Amazon Web Services or AWS. To answer to that question, let's go to the official website of Amazon Web Services, which is aws.amazon.com. Alright, and now I'm on the page called What is AWS. You need to open this page, you need to go to aws.amazon.com, then you need to go to this Learn and then Introduction to AWS. Alright, so AWS or Amazon Web Services is the market leader in cloud computing. So they offer more than 175 cloud-based services, and those services have lots of features that you can configure according to your needs. So no other cloud computing solutions provider can offer you so many services and features. So if you are interested in what kind of services they offer, you can take a look at this services tab. So you don't need to follow me, just take a look at this take a look at this page. So this one, in here we can see that they offer compute services relating to virtual service and the services which simplifies development and not development but deployment of web applications, and also they offer storage relating services and databases and machine learning, business applications, Internet of Things, etc., etc. So they offer lots of cloud-based services. All right. So it's also very, very secure cloud platform. That's why many banks and organizations which deal with sensitive data use AWS. Furthermore, if you need, they offer very strong encryption for your data. So no one can get access to your data except you. And AWS supports many international security standards, so it's very secure, all right? And by the way, Amazon, Netflix, they all use Amazon Web Services for their business, all right? So also they have many data centers around the world. This is again that map which shows data centers of Amazon Web Services. To be more precise, these circles in blue and yellow are regions, and each region has availability zones. We will discuss those concepts later. For now, just understand that these are data centers that you can use, all right? And if there is an outage, for instance, in one region, for instance, in Canada, they have one region, right? So you can see Canada Central, and in that region they have two availability zones. Let's assume if there is an outage in Canada, and you can use the other data center in the US, for instance. So in that way, you can be assured that your system is always up and running, all right? So that's a very good advantage of cloud computing. So you can use many data centers across the world, all right? So if we scroll down again, so further, we can see here this is a report by Gartner, and Gartner is a company which does market analysis for different domains, including IT, all right? So cloud computing. So this Gartner company uses this kind of visualization called Magic Quadrant, all right? And in here you can see this Magic Quadrant for cloud computing, and from the left to right there is a completeness of vision, and from bottom to up there is an ability to execute. And if you take a look at the top right corner, you can see there is a square called leaders, and you can see 3 leaders of cloud computing, which are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, and Google. And you can see that Amazon Web Services clearly outranks Microsoft and Google in terms of completeness of vision and ability to execute. So these Amazon Web Services or AWS is the leader in this cloud computing market. All right. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.